Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix Instagram chat or draw doodle option not showing. So, some account already have this feature while others are still waiting because Instagram is rolling it out slowly. So, there are some few things you can do to get this feature faster. For that, first of all, open up the App Store and then in the search bar, search for Instagram. Once you search for it, tap onto it. And if it says update instead of open, tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. So you can update it from the App Store or the Instagram app itself. Open up your Instagram application and then log into your account. Once logged in, tap on your profile icon, then select this three line. Then inside here, under how you use Instagram, you'll be able to find update Instagram. If the button appears, tap it. If you don't see it, the app is already up to date. And after that, what you can do is simply sign out and restart. Log out of your Instagram account, restart your phone and then log back in again. This refreshes your feature settings. If it still does not show, that means that the draw feature hasn't rolled out in your region or account yet. Nothing is wrong, you just have to wait for Instagram to push the update to you. And that's it. If you have tried all these steps and still don't have the draw option, just be patient and it will appear soon. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub and I'll see you in the next one.